Hello fighters. Today I'm going to teach you about martingale layering technique. But first I need to tell you this is very dangerous if you don't know how to use it and when to use it. And also you need good confidence and lots of conformations to enter martingale layer trade. Okay, with that warning, let's get into this. First, when you have a good conformation about a trade and you identify the trade zone clearly, you can go with martingale layering according to your account capital. Okay, let's get into a trade. I found SRR by trade setup here. And I have recognized the entering zone as 1968 to 1965. Now I'm layering. First trade entry at 1968 with 0.02 lot size. Second entry at 1967 with 0.04 lot size. Third entry at 1966 with 0.06 lot size. Fourth entry at 1965 with 0.08 lot size. Fifth entry at 1964 with 0.1 lot size. Sixth entry at 1963 with 0.15 lot size. I have placed 6 entries because I'm full confidence with this trade and I have experience. Martingale technique is a simple technique, but need to know when to use it and how to use it and which lot size is needed to place. You can't use this technique for each and every trade that you get. Right timing and right knowledge is necessary. And don't ever use this against the trend. Remember, trend is friend. Until you get good confidence with your trading setups. Don't try this with your real money. Try this on demo instead. Only layer 3 or 4 layers. Don't go for lots of entry. Look at this example trades that I get today with ADP non-farm news. I was full confidence and I had the conformations. I have entered many positions here with big lot size because I have proper margin. Before you enter for martingale, you need to understand about money management. But that for another educational video. Hope you got the idea of martingale layering. If you need more explains, just comment below. And fighters, join with my free gold signal channel. Link in the description box. It's all free. Gold Master out.